Hello, once again, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a book cover in Photoshop. So let's get into Photoshop and start now. Alright, so before I start, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel, and if you are old, thanks for joining. Actually, this book that I'm about to design is not for anybody. I designed it myself. It's not for anyone. First thing we are going to do is to create a new document. So up here we go to File, New, and we are going to change our margin scale. So this is our margin scale. We'll change it to pixels before we start entering the numbers. So the width is going to be 1600, and the height is going to be 2560. The resolution will remain 300. So this is a standard size booklet. After everything, we are going to press create, and we are going to have something like this. So this was what I was talking about, the half page. We will be creating the other side, which is the back and the spine as well. For us to create that, we are going to click on image and select canvas size, and then we are going to change the width and multiply it by 2. So if you multiply 1600 by 2, you are going to get 3200, and we are going to add extra 200 to it, so it will be 3400. The extra 200 is the spine. After the size, we have the anchor here, and we are going to press the size. We want the direction to be on the left side. So this is the extension color. You can change it to any color you want. So I will go in for blue. Like this. Okay. So after everything, I press on OK. This is how it's going to be. So this is the full size that we are going to use for the book cover design. Now what we're going to do next is to unlock this layer, and we're going to press Ctrl+J on the keyboard to duplicate. So this is the top layer. We're going to drag this top layer like this, there, like this. I'm going to position it well. Okay, so guys, this is the front, the spine, and this is the back. For things not to be complicated to you, we are going to delete the blue, which is the spine, and we are going to make it this way rather. So I'll go in for the rectangular marquee tool, this one, and we are going to select only the blue like this. But before we do that, we are going to select this layer, and we are going to select this, and we are going to press delete on the keyboard. So after that, you press Ctrl D on the keyboard for deselect. So we are going to create a new layer and choose the color that we want. So we come here, create a new layer, and we are going to choose the color that we want. So I'll just go here, and after that I'll choose the color that I want. So I'll still go in for the blue. So we move the here like this. So this is how it's going to be. For things not to be complicated to you, we're just going to name the layers. So this will be the spine, and this will be the front, and this is going to be the back. We can now start working with the forepart or the front view of the book cover. So without much ado, we are going to start by creating a rectangle on top of the front view. So I'm creating a rectangle on top of the front view like this. This way. So I'll change the color to maybe red or black. Let's use black. So that I can see where I'll position it. Like this. So after that, then I'll change the color to white again. The reason why we place the white background on top of the four part is that we are going to clip shapes and pictures inside. That is why we created the white background on top of the four parts. First of all, I will drag in my rulers. So here are my rulers, this part and this part. But with this particular part, I'll be going fast or I'll speed up. Now we are done creating our shape, so this is the part you see first. So we are going to create the title and the author name of the book. So without much ado, let's go to our type 2 and select the horizontal type 2. So I'm going to type in how to pass, then I'll make it break. Like this. Like this. And you make a duplicate. Right. Like this. Also, we're going to change the font to impact, like this, and like this. So after this, we are going to make a duplicate again, and this time around we are going to write only A like this. Then we are going to change the font to Georgia like this and make it big like this. Like this. So you have to make sure you know what you are doing. So on top of the rectangle, I'm going to write exams. Like this. Before that, I'll change the font to import, okay, like this. Guys, I'm done writing my text. I'm going to change the color so that it will match or blend with the shape. So without much ado, I'll start with the rectangle. This rectangle, yes, this rectangle that I just created like this. I'll just pick the color and change the exams to white like this, and how to pass with different color. I'll change the color to this color, and I'll also change this color to this, and the plus also the same. See, okay, so I'm done. Over here I write new over there. I write new over there. New. And I'll change the font to Georgia. Like this. I also change the color to white and push it well like this. Okay, so how to pass CompTIA A plus exams. So I have to add certificate to it. So I'll bring over here and type in certificate. So that then after that, then I'll change the color to this and I'll make it bold. like this. Bold. You have to make sure that all your text is online. So to make it simple, you bring in your ruler like this. Like this. Up here I have my polygons. Over here I'm just going to clip image inside. So I'll just go in for my image. So this is my resources that I'm using for the book cover. So I'll just bring this one inside like this. You have to make it small. So right now I'll just right click on the polygon. So this is the polygon and this is the image. So I will right click on the image and create a clipping mask like this. Have you seen how it works? Have you seen how it works? So I'll make it big like this. Okay, like this nicely. So after clipping my picture into the polygons, I'll now move over here and type in 10th edition. So I'll go for my text tool and I'll type in 10th edition. Like this. And reduce the space. So now I'll come and write the edition over here. Like this. So I'm done writing the 10th edition, but I'll make this one small. Okay, so down here I'll come and write the name of the author. So over here I'll come and write the name of the author. So I'll just take my type tool and write Ibel Kwabena Aye. Like this. This is how our font size is going to be, but before that we are going to group them. So we are going to click on the shift key and click on this, and we are going to group them. We are going to call it front, or you can name it front side, like this. So we are going to move on to the spine. So we move on to the spine. With the spine, what we are going to do is to add text, but before that we are going to do some little design so that it will match with the colors. So guys, this was what I was talking about, the color combination. So I will just add my text to the spine. The reason why I left this space over here is that if you don't have a personal barcode, Amazon can provide you with a personal barcode. I'm done, and this is how to design a simple book cover. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.